Dr. Lewis with Spinal Health and Nutrition. And today I'm going to talk about ways to lower our blood pressure. We know that hypertension is a serious issue today. It is known as a silent killer. A lot of people are walking around with hypertension and don't know that they have it. They may think because they're exercising, putting certain things on their plate, they don't have any issues at all, but it can be a silent killer. So we must get this checked. We must monitor our blood pressure, get with our primary care doctor to help monitor our pressure so that we can be aware of what's going on with it, okay? But let's talk about some natural things that we can do to help lower our blood pressure. Number one, stress. We must reduce our stress levels. I know we're living in a very stressful society, so we must stay away from those things or activities that can trigger our stress. Sometimes it's okay to just stay away from some people that can produce a whole lot of drama and confusion in our lives. That's stressful right there, okay? We must stay away from what we're listening to. There are things in the news, information on social media, on the radio, that can also increase our stress and anxiety. We don't want that, because when our stress goes up, our blood pressure goes up, and that can lead to a variety of problems. So we must reduce our stress levels, okay? We must get at least 30 minutes a day of some type of cardiovascular activity. The reason why I mentioned cardiovascular activity, because when we're doing cardio helps strengthen the heart. The heart is a muscle itself, okay? So when we get that heart pumping pretty strong from our cardiovascular activity, at least 30 minutes a day, that will help dilate the blood vessels. And when those blood vessels are dilated, that can get the blood flowing to help reduce our blood pressure, right? Now, here are some natural supplements we can take. One is called chaotic garlic, okay? Chaotic garlic is good because it contains nitric oxide, which helps dilate the blood vessels, okay? It also prevents a hormone called angiotensin 2. Angiotensin 2 is known as a vasoconstrictor. It constricts our arteries. When those arteries are constricted or narrow, our heart will work harder, which would increase the blood pressure, okay? So garlic will help prevent that from happening. Another supplement we can take is known as super beets. We can find super beets on Amazon or at any health food store, because super beets already comes in the powder form. We just have to add it to at least 8 or 16 ounces of water, okay? It has a good source of nitric oxide in it, just as garlic, which will also help reduce our blood pressure. And it will also give us the natural energy that we need to help us stay focused throughout the day, okay? So it's very simple. So there has to be a balance between exercising and nutrition. We can exercise, but if our nutrition is off, our stress level is off, it will be impossible to reduce our blood pressure, okay? So we must balance our diet with exercise, eating the right foods, doing the right exercises. And if we do that, the blood pressure will go down, okay? If your blood pressure is way off the charts, please consult with your primary care doctor before taking the natural things like the garlic and the super beets, okay? Because oftentimes if our numbers are off, yes, we have to take our medicine. We have to take whatever our primary care doctor is prescribing to us. We don't want to get off the medication and try something that's natural, because the numbers could be so far off the charts. Whatever we take that's considered to be natural will not be enough to reduce our pressure, and it can lead to major problems and concerns, okay? So let's tackle this. Let's be aware of our blood pressure. Let's do the right things, ingest the right things in our body. I'm Dr. Lewis. Thank you for listening to our channel. Please listen, share, and subscribe to our YouTube video. Remember, your health is your greatest investment.